Hello everyone, my name is Cinta. Today I'm really excited to give you a brief virtual tour of our IHNA, IHN and HCLA campuses located in Perth. So let's have a look of our facilities, faculties and infrastructure. Come on in. Institute of Health and Nursing Australia, Institute of Health and Management, Health Careers Language Academy are one of the Australia's premier providers for quality education and training.
The Institute's key areas of expertise and course delivery are nursing, healthcare, and community services. Our postgraduate nursing courses and English language intensive courses for overseas students, along with coaching for IELTS, OET, and PTE. Our students benefit from fully equipped campuses with modern facilities and amenities, including state-of-the-art nursing and computer laboratories, a student library, audiovisual equipped classrooms, and student breakout areas. Our classrooms are fitted with modern furniture and highly visual teaching aids so as to provide the best learning experience to the students. IHNA understands that first-class learning facilities are a vital component of a successful training institute. Therefore, improvement in institute facilities is a fundamental component of the institute's continuous improvement process. To date, these improvements have focused upon our campuses becoming centers of excellence in terms of health and nursing training. IHNA nurse educators are highly qualified, not just as educators, but also as motivators. They all have significant practical experience in Australian hospitals and overseas, which comes to life in the theoretical and practical elements of the courses. We are proud of the high caliber of our management, teaching, and administrative staff. We have well-qualified, experienced, enthusiastic, and dedicated staff to ensure the smooth and appropriate functioning of the college. Strong financial and student management are key determinants of the success or failure of any teaching establishment. We have a growing library and resource center where students can find extra resources to help with their learning and chosen career path. IHNA campuses have significant computer laboratories and resource centers with computer lines, with IHNA providing terminals that students are able to use for their own PCs. Each connection gives access to MIMS Online, EBSCO Reference Center, Joanna Briggs Institute Online, and IHNA's e-learning resources. We have a highly equipped nursing lab. Students practice skills in the lab, which they will use during clinical placements. These include IV therapy, medication administration, personal care, nasogastric tube insertion, and many more. IHNA has cutting-edge technologies to ensure high-fidelity simulation. This ensures that the simulation is as close to real hospital situations. Some of the realistic equipments in our simulation lab includes intravenous infusion device, high-fidelity mannequins, manual handling equipments, realistic medications, wound care products, advanced resuscitation simulators, etc. Our equipments are customizable and we can simulate any nursing procedures that is performed on patients in hospitals. This gives our students the ability to practice and develop confidence and competency before doing the procedure on real patients. We have a student lounge, a common courtyard, and an outdoor space if the students want to take a break, have a coffee, or grab a bite.
We hope you have enjoyed our virtual tour of IHNA, IHN and HCLA campus. Thanks for joining us.